How to use Telegram channels to repost YouTube videos, links for more views. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily use your Telegram channels to boost your YouTube video views and engagements. First thing first, you need to have a channel on Telegram. Go ahead and open up Telegram and create a channel. Here I've already created a channel and you should have a decent number of following to be able to increase the interactions and engagement on your YouTube video. Now go ahead and open up YouTube. Once you are on youtube.com or YouTube application, you need to find the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Then you need to find your videos, so you can do that by going over to View Channel. And then here you can find your videos. So you have your videos, then you have your shorts and more. So let me just quickly pick out a short. I'll just go over here, tap on short, and let's say if I want it to be, want the engagement to boost up, I can just tap on share and tap on copy link. Now you want to go back to your Telegram, just tap on it. Make sure you are on your channel and just basically paste the link here. Tap on send. It's going to get the info about your link, so just tap on send here. It's going to send the thumbnail as well. And you can ask your subscribers or your followers to like, share, and subscribe. And you should be good to go. Once you have done that, you have successfully sent this to your channel, and people here will be able to click on the link and increase the engagement and views for your YouTube video. If that was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.